Kador Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabar ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha Kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Secretary General joko North Atlantic Treaty Organization lani kan NATO umak rut lamaham mak NATO kan te degi kendon di perking bha yakiri kibdang yai beteng banthit umpanyang bathit gas nak Russia urut laong balada pidai presiden joko China ni prime minister joko India ni presiden joko Brazil ru lada fidang yai beteng ya ka khai ka pateng mak Russia balada fidang beteng banthit umpanyang bathit gas nak Russia kan NATO kan te degi kendon ki bakhor bha urut lakantu yakini ki laitali ki ri kata ka China ke India bat ke Brazil bagi dai men pasuthu yu Vladimir Putin ba unsim khia ya ka jinga kran yasuk bat ke Ukraine balada kimle kumta kin dunong yala dihi bat ka yo ka kot jongki kan her ula ong balada ki le bom salia ya kani ke jingkran jungu hakawai ke sngi kin sia kan du mausyang gula ai poru eki tang ka tukun sngi bakin phone sio Putin bu de ben pediang ya jinga kran yasuk lem kumta ka jingpan system kan dai ya kini laitali ki ri Shua yakani Presiden Donald Trump ulamaham yak Ukraine bakam desu ban set namding se Russia bola aipor ru ek Russia san phosngi bakan wan se jing kan yesuk lem kumta kan sem jing e kumban supan kan mau ba menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi lapan pa ku jis ngolem halor jing ap brewa Ukraine ndai syam lapan rem pad yak Russia bola kentu ya baro artili kiri bakin yakran ye penbit no knang bak songsuk songsan kan wan phai biang ndai kani ka jing maham kan natu kadai namar baka mi ka jingkano baka India ka sim kabu da wathid umpanyang nak Russia ka dor ka batan namar baki wai pat kiri kila kantaj kum ka jing ajing sneng ya ka Russia.
That the US will now supply massively Ukraine with weapons out of the US, not just air defense, also missiles, also ammunition paid for by the Europeans. And secondly, that President Trump said, basically, if Russia is not serious about peace talks, within 50 days, he will slam secondary sanctions on countries like India, China and Brazil. So my encouragement to these three countries particularly is, if you live now in Beijing or in Delhi, or you are the president of Brazil, you might want to take a look into this, because this might hit you very hard. So please make the phone call to Vladimir Putin and tell him that he has to get serious about peace talks, because otherwise this will slam back on Brazil, on India and on China in a massive way.
Wat penleno yakani ka kabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hakador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka amtang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra